Good morning guys, how are you? Midjourney just released a new prompting style to save your time with Permutation Prompt. This prompt allows you to quickly generate variation of a prompt with a single imagine command. Hi, I'm Avinash Jaswal from AI Dynamics. Let's get started. Till now, the only way of generating different versions of said prompt was to feed them one by one. For example, suppose we want to generate different fruits, say a mango, a banana and a pear using this prompt. Normally, we would feed the prompts separately like this. This is going to be even more time consuming if the list of fruits is bigger. How great it would be if we could somehow ask the Midjourney algorithm to generate all the fruits with one single command. And you are in luck, for Midjourney just released a way with permutation prompts. All you need to do is first type the entire prompt and type all the fruits you want to generate within curly braces like this: mango, banana, pear. Commas within curly braces separate the options and tell the algorithm to generate them separately. This will generate all the above images in 3 separate generations. Let's take another example: Mickey Mouse, sunglass, gangster. Full color painting cyberpunk with aspect ratio 3:2 and 16:9. This will process 2 jobs with different aspect ratios. If we want to include a comma within the curly brackets that does not act as a separator, place a backslash directly before it. Imagine red, green, blue produces 2 jobs. It is possible to use multiple sets of bracket options in a single prompt. Imagine yellow, white tiger in city jungle. This will create 4 jobs. If you want to know more about permutation prompt, you can directly visit the link in description. This will take you to Midjourney documentation and Midjourney Discord. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative contents like this. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.